Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you with the beautiful and the amazing video of wooden stoves corner. Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fit and fine, and Allah Almighty bless you always with prosperity, health and wealth. Viewers, today I'm going to show you in this video 60 ideas of wooden stove corners, which is very interesting and very amazing ideas. You can place it at your living rooms or at any home corner. Viewers, as the passage of time, the chimneys are getting advanced. So I had put work hard and put some interesting ideas of these chimneys in this video. Keep watching this video till end for the wonderful and the amazing ideas of wooden stoves. Viewers, amazing ideas. Viewers, if you like my video, then give us thumbs up button, and if you like one of the idea in this video, to write in our comment section which you like the idea most in this video. And here I am going to remind you that if you forget to subscribe my channel, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow my channel by clicking the bell icon so that I can put new idea of any interior. You can get notification on your mobile screen and you watch it and get the benefit from that video. You will support us on daily basis by sharing my channel with the friends and family and social media which is used by yourself. And must visit my channel for more updated, upgraded and fashionable trendy ideas of home decor, or means decoration of your life or interiors. And if you want to see or watch any idea on my channels, then write in comment section. We will try to fulfill your demand soon. Viewers, keep watching my video till end. Enjoy my video till end, and don't forget to give thumbs up button. This one is amazing one, again with the bricks, very interesting one. The idea is very beautiful, the corner is very beautiful. In the living room you can see watch again different ideas with clock, with mirrors, with LCDs, with pictures. Stay tuned with us for more updated, upgraded ideas. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.